Wow, you know what? You look just like Brutus. Minus the scars, obviously. What? Yeah, you guys could be twins. I look nothing like him. Look, he's way scrawnier than me. More fit, you mean? And I don't have scars all over my mug. That's why she said minus the scars, genius. So you're agreeing with her? No, I'm just saying use your ears. Hey house pets, I'm back from the dump. And I must say, the dining was exquisite. The heck? Who's this pooch? He looks just like Brutus. Minus the scars, obviously. I look nothing like him. Target sighted. Hehe. Hey Marv, watch this. What? Piffed. Whoa. Don't do it, Harry. What? Why not? Just don't. Not to that kitten. Oh, I get it. You're messing with me. Hardy ha ha. Doink. Bullseye. How you like that shot, Marv? Marv. Apologize. Sorry. I didn't mean to. I mean I did, but I shouldn't have, and it won't happen again. I promise. Wowee. Brutus, look. It's another, German sheeper, just like you. Actually, I'm what's called a Malinois, which is a type of Belgian Shepherd. Oh, what's the difference? Well, I'm glad you ask. We. Smaller. Weaker. And less fur to keep them warm. That's the difference. In other words, I'm faster, more portable, and more tolerant to hot climates. Being easy to carry ain't nothing to brag about, backpack. Being intolerant to warm weather isn't either, Cyclops. I'm also intolerant to annoying dogs. Well, that's one thing we have in common. Let's go, Brutus. Come on, Dexter. I like that guy. Me too. Stands his ground. I respect that. I think you're going to like this new neighborhood, Dexter. I heard there's another dog living here for you to play with. Really? Look, it's your buddy from the park. What the? Why don't you go play, Dexter? No. You've gotta be kidding me. You're my neighbor? And got a problem with that, backpack? That is not my name. What luck. Of course we end up moving right next door to the world's grumpiest dog. Hey new neighbor. Ah. What's your name? D. Cool. Where you from? I. Really? What's it like there? And the world's most annoying dog. Kelly, I think your kid is trying to sneak up on you again. Oh, I know. He's not very good at sneaking. Terrible, actually, but he'll never be encouraged to get better if I never let him succeed. I scared you good, didn't I, mommy? You sure did. Well done. Tch. Pathetic. At least my kid is an actual tiger. Mother, is she talking about me? Don't listen to her, Steven.